Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you another review on the product that is Saint and Sinner leave-in conditioner. So if you are curious to know about this product, watch the video till the end because it will be unbiased review for this product. It is a conditioner that removes tendrils from your hairs instantly. The product does not contain any harmful ingredients like iron oxide and different that is damaging your hair. It is 100% virgin conditioner and it is suitable for all hair. The primary ingredients not only protect your hair from pollution and heat but also make them stronger. In addition, it brings back the shine and moisture of your hair with its cruelty free features. So how you can apply this conditioner? After applying the shampoo and conditioner, Saint Sinner spray this leave-in conditioner on your hair. Do not forget to spray on damp hair. The specification of Saint and Sinner's leave-in conditioner are: it is a spray that smooths your hair, and it is introduced by the brand that is Saint and Sinner's. Its cost is about $38 and you have two options available for 120mm and 250mm. It is suitable for all skin type. The pros of Saint and Sinner leave-in conditioner are: it adds shine to your hair, it does not contain gluten and paraben. The leave-in conditioner repairs your damaged hairs and moisturizes them. It is ideal for all hair types. It eliminates frizz. The cons of Saint and Sinner leave-in conditioner are: the manufacturer does not discount the product. According to the comment shared by the buyer, the product leave a residue after applying to your hair. So is Saint and Sinner leave-in conditioner legit? As we are checking out the details, Saint and Sinner offer the leave-in conditioner that provide 100% satisfaction with hair care product to their customer. It is available on widely used e-commerce platform Amazon and its rating is about 4.7 star and it holds the position of 1556 in the bestseller rank. It is 100% vegan and free of different chemicals. The brand has shared the post of the product on its official page. So it has received much feedback from the customer. People found it an outstanding product with a fantastic smell that makes the hair incredibly soft. So in our conclusion, we can say that as from all the details we have discussed and the reviews proves that this product is reliable. Therefore we suggest you to purchase the leave-in conditioner that will make your hair stronger and shinier. And if anyone of you have experience of using this product, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.